Kamal. This fight is for the Bantamweight WBC Youth World Title. The judges in charge ringside are Kevin David, Rob Kumar, and Ashutosh. And the man in charge of the sound of the bell, Manoj Pawar. Now to everyone inside White House.
And this title is going to be unique for this fight. The title, WBC Youth World Title.
Yes.
For the Bantamweight division.
Between Laldinsanga and
Round one.
Yep.
And we are underway. Both men probing each other. This is going to be an extremely fast-paced contest.
Come on now. I watched Lal fighting previously. I've seen him focused and dedicated. From the round one, wherever he is, he's always going to be focused.
Both of these
Yep.
gentlemen are
Absolutely. Oh, that just doubled his legs.
that landed flush. Well, a good shot.
Yeah, good shot though. Whoa. Liver shots.
It was a good competition for Michael. Laldinsanga finding his hands a little bit full at this point. Switching stances. Both gentlemen switching stances.
Yep, ladies and gentlemen, you're watching.
Both of them are switching stances back and forth.
Absolutely, you're watching. This is a fight between India and Ghana. The much awaited
These are the
fight
mind
for
games
tonight.
happening.
Come on now. These Laldinsanga and Michael in the main event.
Laldinsanga taking off the pace a little bit. Michael switching to a very side-on stance. Laldinsanga more front-facing.
Yeah.
Michael having a little bit of a speed advantage here.
Absolutely. Laldinsanga, just 21 years old. He's already been part of 28 bouts. And on the other side, Michael comes up with the different stats. He's 22 years old, a year older than Lal. And he's played 41 rounds.
Very even now,
Yeah.
games.
Yeah. I'm not predicting anything because
Round two.
Deep stance from Laldinsanga.
yep,
Is he planning something?
he's looking for an opportunity there to just launch his punch.
Laldinsanga switching to a much deeper stance
Yep.
now, indicating that he may be going for more power shots here. The deep stance allows you to generate more power
Absolutely.
while sacrificing a little bit of mobility.
Oh, show your face. Michael positioning himself very strategically.
Oh, that struck.
Yeah,
Laldinsanga getting a marginal advantage.
yeah.
In this
Lal got to know what's the gap. Ladies and gentlemen, you're watching Super Fighter Series. Our main sponsors for this event is Arambam, Cult, Fitter, Muscle Blaze, Sniper, Boxing Promotions, Muscle Blaze, USI, Yo-Yo Fresh T-Bar. And also just want to keep you all informed, our promoters for this event are Payam Hunari, founder of Crown Boxing Promotions, Kamal, founder of Grassroots Boxing Promotions, Rani Kamal, co-founder of Grassroots Boxing Promotions.
Laldinsanga dealing in combos.
Whoa!
Landing some shots flush. They traded jabs, both landing.
That was a huge chance for Michael, but then referee had to stop him in between. Whoa. That's the end of round 2.
Round 3.
We're at the beginning of round 3. Laldinsanga versus Michael De Cardinals.
Oh!
There is fury in that speed.
Crazy.
The speed at which these lightweights operate, you
Yeah,
barely
yeah.
see a thing.
See the movements there.
Michael has
Michael
been
from
warned
Ghana.
a couple of times
Yeah.
for shots below the belt.
Whoa! Whoa!
Very high volume match and progress
Absolutely.
between
Michael from
Laldinsanga
Ghana
and
putting up his
Michael De
best
Cardinals.
foot forward. On the other side, we have Laldinsanga.
The speed, the volume is intense.
Yep.
The number of attacks, the number of times, I mean the head movement speed,
Yeah.
the way they pivot and change,
Absolutely.
dodge is amazing.
That's the end of round 3.
Round 4.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is an 8 rounds fight.
Michael leading with combos here. Laldinsanga switching back to combos. Michael having a marginally more open stance here so that he can bring his cross hand, which is his right hand, into play faster. Laldinsanga with a more blade-like stance, more defensively stance, at the cost of taking a little extra time to bring his cross into play.
You see how they hold their stances. They're not going forward, but they just waiting for an opportunity to step in and take over.
There's a whole lot of pressure. These are both players who are used to moving forward.
Yes.
They're putting a lot of pressure on each other, but neither of them is one.
Whoa! That was brilliant by Michael. That's a groin shot. 10 seconds more.
You're at the half.
I see the corner man being very strong for Lal. They keep feeding him with information how he has to play and how he has to be inside the ring. And Michael has come up with a different strategy for this round. In the round 5, 3 more rounds to go to decide who the winner is going to be for the main event.
And Laldinsanga engaged in this tussle for dominance.
Oh! Shots. Ladies and gentlemen, they're fighting for the bantamweight WBC Youth World title. You get to see the consistency from round 1 till round 5. They're being beautiful. Every round they're playing, they're fighting.
Smooth to and fro battle. Laldan gets him into a corner. Laldan is really going for this.
That's dominating, man. That's dominating inside the ring.
Is that a knockdown? We were too far away to see from this angle.
Yep.
Whether that was a punch which caused the knockdown. No knockdown given here. Again, Laldan has this winning strategy now. Pushing Michael into a corner and really going for it. Laldan now.
Now we're talking. Now we're talking.
Now we're talking. There's a lot of pressure here. Laldinsanga, absolutely.
You got this, come on. Again. Yes.
There's a 1 minus point, I believe.
Probably Jackson.
Yep. Looks like Michael is tired.
Laldinsanga to push
Michael is
into a
tired.
corner.
And the corner he comes.
Pressure on him. He's working on that.
Lal gets into the corner. You know that what? His face looks exhausted.
Yes.
Yep. What do you think? Knockouts?
Depends. I would like to know what Michael's corner told him.
Absolutely.
What to do here. Can he get an effective counter strategy? They're pivoting. You know? He's doing a lot more pivoting now. That's what probably his corner told him.
Absolutely.
That when pushed, pivot and hook. But Laldan smells blood here. He is not going to let him go.
That's it. Lal giving his best.
There is a bath of sweat that we've all
Absolutely.
I'm rich. Laldinsanga is the only offender here. He's really getting him into a corner. Michael desperately trying to avoid being cornered by Laldan because he knows what's coming. If he gets him into a corner, there is a barrage of strikes to follow. And there it is. Oh! Shocking shots. Shocking shots.
These shots are back to back. I don't know how Michael is bearing it, but
Michael
absolutely
holding on for
amazing
dear
round.
life. Again, backing into a corner. Going shots again and again. Michael trying an armbar right now. Perfectly sound technique, not in boxing though.
Absolutely.
Look at the power of those shots. Those shots are absolutely landing. Flush. Oh, the cameraman is down. Laldinsanga is taking him, carrying him around.
Crazy now. The last round. What a fight. The much awaited fight for tonight. title.
Michael Ticari Nelson.
Absolutely, ladies and
Can he
gentlemen.
find a way here?
This is the title for WBC Youth
Laldinsanga
World title.
has a very clear strategy. He wants to take him to a corner and pummel him. That's what Laldinsanga's strategy is. And he's made it very, very clear in the last 2 rounds. The jab lands. Cross lands as well.
Oh.
The jab lands again. Now, he's got Michael worrying about ghosts here. Michael is now worried about that strategy so much that he's making errors he would otherwise not make.
Yep.
You see his chin standing up in the air, right? He's not protecting it because he's worried about the push. Lands a couple of punches again.
But I don't think so. Lal would want to do something.
Laldinsanga is in a good place to win this match. Let's put it that way.
Absolutely.
I think we can all agree on that. Because
Michael has to come back. Michael has to show up now. Michael has to come back. Yes.
That a judge can look at this. And he's being pushed corner to corner and then ruling.
Absolutely.
This is definitely
Dominate.
Sanga's match.
1 round left. We are getting intense tonight, ladies and gentlemen. The fight is for WBC Youth World title for the bantamweight division. One last round. Round 8. Ladies and gentlemen, this is one last round to declare who is going to be the WBC Youth World title winner at the bantamweight division. You are watching Super Fighter Series 2024, Bengaluru, India's biggest fight night.
Exhausted at this point.
Absolutely, Michael
But
needs
he's
to
not
show
giving
up.
up.
He's not giving up, but you know what exactly is going to happen now. The pressure is built up on Michael.
This fight is now down to the last.
Absolutely, but I see Michael holding him every now and then. Not sure why he wants to hold him.
He wants to stop the punishment.
He's tired. I think he's tired. He's super tired.
A lot of punishment he's taking.
Just 1 minute left.
Sonia.
30 seconds left. 30 seconds left.
These two
for
gentlemen are
this.
still giving it their best in the center of the ring.
About to
And
get
you
over.
can't look away from
Michael
the heart.
coming back now. In the last 9 seconds.
Again, laldinsanga pushing him to the rope, pulling him. At the last. Again, this is so reflective of how the match has been. Laldinsanga pushing him to the rope, and
I said with this will come an end. That's the ladies and gentlemen, we'll look. Moving on.
79-71. Judge Ram Kumar scored the bout 77-74. Judge Ashutosh scored the bout 78-73 for your winner by unanimous decision. And now, the WBC Youth Bantamweight Champion,